And don't be
Carl,
a
I know there's,
knucklehead.
yeah, right. Knuckleheads can make this happen too.
Yep, absolutely.
Ryan is passionate about helping others discover their gifts and start their own business. He's published 5 books, and his courses and group coaching programs have changed the lives of thousands of students all over the world.
So, Carl, there's people listening, Carl, that want to be where you are and that haven't made the jump into starting a business, and they think Amazon might be the way to do it. Where would you suggest somebody, what kind of inventory, what would it be, used books? Would it be stuff around your house or what?
Yes, absolutely. All the above. So start with what's around your house. VCRs, even VCRs, you can you have around the house that it's probably hadn't been used since, who knows when.
Right.
Those all very well on Amazon, believe it or not.
And eBay too.
Yes, eBay too.
Yeah.
That books is it could be a great thing because you can go anywhere and find books and more likely get them for free because there are a lot of people that collect books and just want to get rid of them. People move. Oh, I don't want to hassle with this.
Sure.
I'll take them.
Guys, put an ad on Craigslist. Say, I'll take your books away, or put an ad on Facebook Marketplace, or post on your own Facebook timeline. I'm sure you got friends and you're friends of on Facebook that would be like, yes, take mine. They've been sitting in the garage forever.
Yeah. School books or, history books. And I mean, the opportunities are truly endless in terms of what you can sell.
Real quick on that, like, you probably get a lot of people that'll say, come grab my books. If you were going to do that again and had to start back over, what type of books would you say would pop out at you as the ones to grab?
History books, textbooks, cookbooks, anything other than novels. Those are the things that, typically they sell well, but you're not going to make much money on
So nonfiction.
Yeah, the nonfiction. All your fiction books, go for it. You're out of, like I said, military history. Those sell very well.
Military history. Okay.
Yes. And for a quite good amount too.
Awesome.
So those are the type of books that I had looked for. There are more, I just can't think of off the top of my head, but any fiction book really, just for the most part in general, sell very, very well and for a pretty good return.
Cool.
Yeah, absolutely.
So if you had to go back to what coaching or course or group would you say get involved in?
Legends.
Legends. Okay.
Yes, absolutely. Wholeheartedly Legends. So starting over, invest in books, get your business started with books, get it going, invest in a replenishable inventory, get into Legends, learn the business, develop relationships and just soak up the content, but soak up one piece of the business at a time because it is so easy to get shiny object syndrome where you hop around like a little squirrel.
Right.
And that's where a lot of my mistakes in the beginning too is, I would get one piece of the business going and I'm like, oh, I'll do this and just completely abandon that. So, for anybody that's listening to this, focus on one element of your business, get that successful, automate it and hand it off to somebody else while you can move on to something else and build it, automate it, hand it off to somebody else and just rinse and repeat.
Dude, start with one thing, get that build up, outsource that, and then you can focus on something else because there's so many ways to make money online, guys. You could take the whole model he talked about, VCRs, finding old things, flip them on Amazon, eBay, go to estate sales, thrift stores, garage sales. That could be your whole business right there.
Yes.
You could then, or you could go into Walmarts and Targets and all these other stores, those regular retail stores. That's a whole business model. So there's so many different ways. You just got to focus on one thing, get that build up, and then move on. So my goodness. Yeah. So guys, Carl mentioned Amazon Legends. It's a group that my buddy Danny Stock and I launched back in December of 2016. It's, I guess the best way to describe it is like an Amazon support group. It's an amazing community. That's like 24/7 coaching. I'll have the link in the show notes, but we actually have a 14-day trial link, amzlegends.com/14 days, amzlegends.com/14 days, a 14-day trial, but I'll have the link in the show notes at streamsofIncomeRadio.com. Real quick, Carl, your Replen software, I'll have the link for that as well. People can get that. It basically helps people track all their replens.
Yeah, absolutely. It can help them track out all their inventory. We have options if you only track your replenishable inventory. You can just select what's replenishable, and you can track just that. It'll track how often you need to buy it, when you need to buy it, how much, if you want to focus on your larger ROI items, you can filter by that. There are a lot of things you can filter by in terms of creating a buy list. You can create a buy list for your shoppers, select any criteria you want, what store,
oh my gosh,
amount.
And it just prints out a buy list for them?
Yeah, export it.
That's huge.
Export it and get it to shoppers and give them a credit card and have fun.
That's right. And go back and watch your TV show.
Yeah.
Hey, Ryan Rieger here. If you're looking for proven real strategies for making money online, then grab my book, Streams of Income. In it, I detail the 3 main ways to make money online. And these are strategies that students of mine all over the world are using to make real money. And the best part is these are strategies that you can get started with $0 and 0 experience. So if you'd like a free copy of my book, Streams of Income, check out the link in the description below.